there, I am Aditya and today we are going to discuss about identities. In my last video, we had discussed about some identities, like the first one being a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. How did we get this? We got it, a plus b the whole square is a plus b into a plus b again, 2a plus b's multiplied together. And when you do this, a into b and b into b, which is a into a is a square, a into b is plus ab, and b into a is again another ab plus ab, and b into b is plus b square, which is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Also we have learnt about a minus b the whole square, which is a square plus b square minus 2ab. This is important, minus. If you do any mistake here, you lost the answer. And you know a minus b into a minus b, it will become, as in this case, a into a is equal to a square, a into b is equal to minus ab. This is because here plus this is, and this is minus here, plus into minus is minus, of course. And here b minus b into plus a is again minus ab, and minus into minus, here minus, which is plus b square. The answer is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Again it's the same, and I didn't discuss about this in my last video, but you can also do some exchange offers. Here for this, a plus b the whole square, you can do an exchange offer. Let me write this full expression. What you can do is take this side, which is a plus b the whole square minus 2ab is a square plus b square. This is one type how you can represent it. Now let me clear the board. It's done. Now I am writing again that formula. Let's do it all again. A square plus b square plus 2ab. The related formula to it, a plus b the whole square minus 2ab is equal to a square plus b square. Now you can do another exchange offer, and this is the last exchange offer, which is take this side, which you will get a plus b the whole square minus, in brackets, a square plus b square is equal to 2ab. And what you will get here is a plus b the whole square minus a square minus b square is equal to 2ab. This is the last exchange offer they provided, and here they are. This one is this one, and this one. This is just the solving of that. So this is 1. A minus b square, also we have some exchange offers. They are providing more exchange offers. A square plus b square minus 2ab. You can take it a minus b the whole square plus 2 2ab is equal to a square plus b square. When you take this side, and you can take this side, which is a minus b the whole square minus a square plus b square is equal to minus 2ab. Then it is a minus b the whole square minus a square minus b square is equal to minus 2ab. That's it. So simple, right? If you didn't see that video, which is about algebraic expressions and identities, you can go watch it by clicking right over that thing. It will be black in color if you are on a mobile device, and it will be white in color if you are on a desktop. Now let's clear the board. Now the board is clear. A plus 1 by a the whole square. We had learned this identity. This is b. This one you substitute with b, which is a plus a square plus 1 by a the whole square. This b square is equal to this whole square, right? Plus 2ab. B is 1 by a, so 2a 1 by a. When you multiply this, here cancel. That's why you get a square plus 1 square is 1, so you write it like that, and a square is here taken down, and plus 2. This both get cancelled and you get 2. And you can apply that formula right for this one too, which is a minus 1 by a the whole square is equal to a square plus 1 by a square minus 2. That's it. Here plus, here minus. It's like plus 2ab minus 2ab, and here it is instead of b square 1 by a square. That's the difference. So simple, right? Now let's clear the board. The board is clear now. The first identity is a plus b the whole square. This is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Everything is plus for plus b square. So you need not worry for this. This is the plus family. And the second identity is a minus b the whole square. It is a square minus plus b square. Sorry, this also depends. This is plus, minus into minus. This is minus into minus. When you put it together, you get it plus. And minus 2ab. Everything is not minus here. Here only this and this is minus. That's why mixed. This one is mixed and this is not. We can remember it like that. Now there are some new identities. We are going to discuss them. A plus b the whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b. As usual, this is the plus family for cube 2 plus, and this is not mixed. And the fourth one is a minus b the whole cube, which is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. This is now the minus family. See, everything is minus. Here everything is plus. And here everything is minus. Very well, right? Minus family and not mixed. These are the four main identities from which you can derive. Here you can take B as 1 by A like that, but I am not going to do it. It will take a long time. And as you can see, in the first case, A plus B the whole square, everything is plus. So you need not worry. You write A square plus B square plus 2AB. Very simple it is. But in the second case, this one right here, this is the odd. These all are even, and even. Because these all have only one family, like they are of one family. They have minus, minus, minus everywhere, one same sign. But here, this one is the odd one out, which doesn't have equal signs, which is minus. Here it has plus, plus. This is the important part. And this, as usual, minus 2AB. This is like injustice to minus B square, right? A minus B square? Yeah, because not everything is minus in it. It is because square. Minus into minus is plus. That's why it has come. In my next video, we are going to solve some sums according to this. Like, we will substitute if A is equal to 8 and B is equal to 12, then what is this? Or find this, or something like that. Yeah, and when you do this, you will really understand the topic well. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like this video only if you like it. Subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out any educational content like this, the identities and many more topics in maths, science. And share this video to make your friends learn more about this topic, which is identities. And that's it for now, guys. Hit that subscribe button now to learn more in this channel. Bye for now. See you later.